Hi, my name is Marie-Lise, and I have been a mathematics teacher for the last 10 years. I've also written some mathematics textbooks, and they have been published here in South Africa and in countries like Zambia and Nigeria. I also do research in mathematics, and I support and train those teachers who are still learning how to teach mathematics. In this course on algebraic expressions, I'm going to be teaching you some of the very basic concepts about algebra. This course is great if you need to catch up on some of the foundational concepts that you might have missed from earlier in the year and from last year, but it will also be great at preparing you for next year, for grade 8 and the algebra that you will be doing at high school level. Let me show you some of what I will be teaching. So here we have a pattern created with matchsticks. We can represent this pattern in a table by showing the picture number and the number of matches. Now in the first picture, we can count the number of matches, and there are 5. In the second picture, if you count them, you can see that there are 9. In the third one, there are 13, and in the fourth one, 17. We can see that this pattern is created by adding 4 matches each time. So we start with 5, we add 4 to get 9, add 4 to get 13, and so on. Now, we can write this pattern as a rule. We can say that to get the number of matches, I must take the picture number, times it by 4, and add 1. But that's quite long-winded to use the words. So instead of using the words, we just choose a letter to represent the word. So for picture number, I've chosen N, and for number of matches, I've chosen M. Now we can shorten it and say M, the number of matches, is equal to N times 4 plus 1. Better still, we can write it as M is equal to 4N plus 1. In this way, we've created an algebraic expression that we can use to calculate any number of matches in any picture number, because that rule works for all the picture numbers. We can calculate how many there are in the 10th picture, in the 50th, even in the 1000th. So let's use our rule now to calculate how many matches there will be in the 10th picture. What do you think? So we can say 4 times 10 plus 1 gives me 41 matches in the 10th picture. And the 50th one, can you work that out? 4 times 50 plus 1 is 201. So you will do a bit more of that in the course, and you will also learn how to write number sentences, in other words, algebraic expressions, to represent real-world problems. We will do some basic questions, but we are also going to be tackling some more challenging ones to develop our problem-solving skills. I believe that mathematics can only be learned by doing it. So you will get lots of chance to practice, and you will get a chance to see how you are progressing through doing our exercises and our quizzes. In my lessons, I ask lots of questions, and I'm always encouraging students to try their best, even if they find it challenging. I look forward to teaching you this course on algebraic expressions as you start your journey towards learning algebra.